In this video, I'm going to show you my whole outlook forecast and analysis on UVXY. As you can see, I'm going to use a very simple strategy, which I have been using in in all of my videos. I'm also going to use this tool to actually outline exactly what I'm going to expect the price to go. Something else I did in this video. As you can see, this prediction was made in this video right here. Let me just show you the proof of that. And how I made, yeah, there you go. This was made 1 month ago, right? This is on the daily chart. This is the link of the video. And if I go, this is what the daily chart, right? In here, you can see the exact same price action, of course, before this kind of move happened. Let me actually just play it a little bit further because I actually even draw this thing right here. Yeah, you get the point, right? I was expecting at least for it to deliver lower below the low. We did that. Okay, good. Now, what is my prediction on UVXY? I'm using a very simple strategy in which, again, here is some of my credentials before I get into the point. This is all just my website. Make sure to go check it out. Every single prediction looks something like this. Every single testimonial looks something like this. But the thing that I do is check out the structure in which I will check out the trend, mostly time frame wise. We can see that even like when we started trading in 2011, ever since then, this thing has been in just a very big downtrend, right? This is just crazy. And even if I go to the weekly, monthly, whatever, after we made the new all-time lows here, my overall next prediction for this is to actually, as you can see, we even tapped today the exact same low, but I'm genuinely still expecting this to continue and deliver lower as such. I'm at least looking for it to deliver and make new all-time lows. Of course, if anyone tells you on YouTube that you know exactly where the price is going to go, they're lying to you. Do not listen to them. Nobody knows where the price is going to go, certainly. So that being said, we all use our own perspectives and opinions. This is not financial advice. Nothing on the channel comes with professional and financial advice. And if you find any value, like the video, it's going to help me out a ton.